How can we write data from Power BI to a database or source system?
Currently, Power BI doesn't offer direct features for writing data back to the source system or database. However, the good news is that it's possible to achieve this by using a PowerApp within the Power BI environment. Create a Canvas PowerApp application in the PowerApp environment, tailored initially for either mobile or tablet layouts according to user requirements. Determine the layout preferences and functionalities such as adding, editing, and deleting records.
Once the PowerApp application is developed within the PowerApp environment, it needs to be published and then integrated into the Power BI report page using the PowerApp visual.
To learn more about developing your first PowerApp application and adding it to a Power BI report page, please watch our video. You can find the link in the description box.
I kindly request you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and please like and share our content. You can also show your support by clicking the thanks button below the video. Thank you.